AlRasikh Co. for trading and commercial agencies and assembling of control and distribution electrical boards, and is located in Baghdad, Al-Mansour. Is one of the most well-known, recognizable brands involved in the fields of design, manufacture, testing of electrical appliances. Since its inception and approval from the Ministry of Commerce in 1996, AlRasikh has sustained strong trust-based relationships with its key stakeholders, including governmental ministries and private sector companies, developing a valued reputation centered around efficient execution and delivery. The company business continues to expand to provide the best global technologies from well-known origins to its customers. To guarantee best international quality standards in its work, the company applied the ISO 9001 version 2015 system in its operations, which had been issued by British QMS. Company projects. The company had implemented several large contracts in cooperation with LSIS South Korean Company, the new name for LG Industrial Systems, including construction, supply, installation and commissioning of 70 substations, 33 to 11 kilovolt, as turnkey jobs, which were distributed over 14 of Iraq's 18 provinces, in addition to several contracts to supply, installation and commissioning of 17 132 to 33 kilovolt substations for the Ministry of Electricity. The AlRasikh company, in cooperation with LSIS Korean Co., is implementing two major projects to set up 7 distribution control centers at the power stations, called SCADA project system, which covers the entirety of Iraq, as well as the implementation of contract for electricity measurements, smart meters, for the same ministry, which is planned to cover all the provinces in Iraq. AlRasikh company has broad cooperation with the Ministry of Oil in many projects, including contracts to supply and install and commission 10 substations, in addition to the supply of electrical control boards. AlRasikh has also carried many contracts in various fields with other government ministries such as Ministry of Oil, Ministry of Industry, Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Interior and Labour and Social Affairs Ministry, and other local private sector companies. Subsidiary companies. As a result of the expansion and the development of the company work, it has established several specialized companies currently operating with AlRasikh Group as follows. 1. Aman Technology for Logistics. 2. Digital Eye Company for trading of security and surveillance equipment and fire alarms. 3. Arab Agent Company for information technology and telecommunications. 4. Jisir Aber Al-Mahid Company for general trading of electrical materials. 5. Al-Anda Company for general construction. 6. Al-Baha Al-Wafa Company for transportation and custom clearance. AlRasikh company owns specialized facilities for assembling electrical control panels and switchgear boards for various applications, and motor center control boards and programmable electrical control boards. The company also owns a wide range of testing devices and transformers oil filtration of high voltage 400 kilovolts and 132 kilovolts and other types. The company has been recognized and accredited for its industry standards, particularly in its capacity and certification of Type Test Assemble to assemble distribution electrical substation control boards, and is considered the only company in Iraq which owns such a kind of certificate to assemble electrical boards. AlRasikh has also a very modern testing laboratory with a very advanced testing devices supplied by Mega Company, Omicron Company and Hypotronics Company, and was granted modern calibration certificates. The company is capable of calibrating and maintaining most testing devices in its maintenance center, which is equipped with very advanced devices throughout an agreement with Global Mega Company. The company also has a design and consultancy engineering department with high qualified and experienced engineers in such a field. The AlRasikh manufacturing facilities and laboratory is located in Baghdad suburbs near AlRasikh warehouse. For the purpose of supporting its various activities, the company has provided a wide range of specialized equipment to transport and offload cargoes inside and outside the stores to the markets as vehicles, trailers, forklifts, cranes, and other such utility vehicles. AlRasikh has cooperated with Al-Majal General Contracting Company since 2013. This cooperation has resulted in an agreement to establish a joint venture in 2016. This joint venture aims at joining both companies' financial and technical resources and capabilities to cover a wide range of services and projects in the power generation, power distribution, and oil and gas industry. Al-Majal has vast experience in the construction and rehabilitation of thermal and gas power plants and in the oil and gas industry. Al-Majal is committed to providing the highest level of services to the highest engineering standards and the highest performance with high-caliber staff. The company had executed many projects with recognized international brands, including but not limited to GE, Bechtel, Siemens, Babcock Borsig, KBR, Odebrecht Osten, Ansaldo Energia, Bono Energia, Washington Group, Fluor AMEC. Al-Majal provides the following services: project management, engineering, civil construction, electromechanical full construction, commissioning, operation and maintenance, projects rehabilitation, project procurement, projects assessment. 2. Fields we are working for: energy field, power generation, power transmission, power distribution; oil and gas field, refineries, pipelines, pumping stations, industrial oil units; water field, water treatment plants, wastewater treatment plants, water intake and pumping stations, demi and RO water plants. Al-Majal projects: civil and electromechanical construction and commissioning of Taza Kirkuk gas power plant, which consists of 2 units, capacity 265 megawatt and 60 megawatt. This project was on a turnkey basis since Al-Majal did all the civil, mechanical, electrical and instrumentation and control and commissioning under the supervision of Siemens of Germany. This is the first time such a project was executed by an Iraqi company. Rehabilitation of Beji thermal power plant with 6 units, each 220 megawatt, with Ansaldo Energia of Italy, and later on with Bechtel Systems of the USA. This is also the first time such a project of this nature and magnitude to be executed by an Iraqi company. Rehabilitation of 2 units in Dura thermal power plant capacity 160 megawatt each, with Babcock Borsig Services of Germany. Tens of projects to supply, construct and rehabilitate steam boilers with different capacities for the Ministry of Electricity, Ministry of Oil, Ministry of Industry and private sector companies. Many projects to construct storage tanks with different capabilities and types, and also civil work for many projects in the energy sector and other sectors. Rehabilitation of demi-water plants, RO plants, and water and sewage treatment plants. To contact AlRasikh, you may call or email on the address details listed. The website of AlRasikh is www.alrasikh.com. To contact Al Majal, you may call or email on the address details listed. The website is www.almajal.com. Thank you from us at AlRasikh and Al Majal for watching this video. We hope to further develop your sustained custom as a reliable and valued partner in the region.